Hi guys, my name is Odapo. Some of us already know. Welcome to Weekly Trade Review with the FX Academy. So in this review, subsequently, some of my guys will be doing this with you guys. We are going to be looking at the trade opportunities we looked at in the just concluded week. What did go our favor, what didn't go our favor, and what we can do better, and what we can keep doing to keep making the money. So literally this just concluded week, we had more than 90% of our trade calls come true. Wow. So it was a very interesting week. We had a nice profit run. Oh, let's just quickly dive into this. So this week we started with GBP USD. And what was our bias? If you've not watched the previous video, I talked about the arc for the money making this year. Go watch that at the concluding part of the first video. I think I talked about how a bias for the GBP USD. So this was a bias. I'll likewise replay the video where we talked about this, so it doesn't look like and what was he saying? I can't. So we talked about it. So this evidence. So you see what's played out at the end of this. Our conclusion on GBP USD after we've gone through our analysis is that we are seeing a form of symmetric triangle formed on a daily time frame, and then market is in form of a range. Any break of the structure will turn in the next direction. So if market breaks out of this region, will be open for a buy. If it breaks to the downside, will be open for more of a sell. So let's see how market plays out. It must go to one of this direction before we have a clear cut of what we are doing. So what we said was GBP USD is in a range. At that time, that's on somewhere around there. So what our projection is that we need a breakout to know the overall direction. But there's still a way to trade range. When the market is in a range, anytime market comes to the obvious support levels, can still pull it back to the upside, and if it comes to the resistance, we can see when market got the resistance and pull back to the downside. So let me just jump into what we did. You can have access to this mostly on our premium group. I only give bias on what we're looking at in our general group. But when it comes to the entry, the right entry, those in our premium group are really cashing out. They are the one making all the money. So I would like you to join us if you are not with us. So you can pick up our course and you're already in. So you can even choose to pick our course and don't go through the course if you feel like, okay, I just need this guy's signals. But Bobo is advising we take our course because every decision we're making, it's all encompassing in our training, our courses, so that we can best make money, best maximize the market. So this was what we did in GBP USD. Yep. So most times we don't trade Monday. We like Monday give us direction, and we pick our entry from Tuesday. You can see this. So I'll be dropping, if I have the screenshot, if I have time to drop, I'll drop it on replay of, or if I have time, if I'm able to come across that, I will do that. So we said we're going to buy GBP USD from this region. So we came in very early. So our forecast was that GBP USD was going to buy. Yes, I was going to buy. So we needed to wait for a confluence. And how did we pick that trade? We're looking for a breaking structure. So the moment we saw this happen, I told my guys, we are in. We are in tight stop loss. And so the moment that will happen, then we knew that yes, there's a change. So we could see a pull again to the upside, and this eventually played our way. So we could see our first TP, I told them, second TP, third, fourth. And most time if you see something locally about TP, you can see that anytime trade is close to a TP, you see market broke at TPs. We often put our TP even below where market will break out to. So you can see again, second TP broke above third. We then did not even wait till we get to the fourth, even though we know it will push to this trend. But so that was how we picked our Tuesday trade. Then subsequently I didn't drop any trade till this very day, Thursday, particularly on GBP because I needed more confirmation. We don't counter trade. If market has started a buy, I like to pull back and see what it will do. If it successfully respect this, if we've seen market break the trend, we might still say, okay, wait till you pull back and sell off. But we see that it eventually broke it, so perfect. It's giving us a new confirmation now. So we're looking for early entry, but eventually trade even came this close to our stop loss. We are happy it didn't take us out. Those on the premium group knew how we ride this trade. So first TP was this region, and it took a while. Market range this, but it eventually broke at TP at the end of the day, and we're waiting for the second TP. But to the close of the week, is a Friday. Once you can see the time, and at the time I'm doing this at midnight on Fridays, so Saturday. So you could see trade did not trigger last TP that's even above the previous high. So that simply means this is invalid for the week. We will reanalyze for the coming week. I'll be dropping something after this video every Monday, hopefully Sunday evening or latest Monday morning or Monday. Buyers for trade decisions for the week. So do well to stay tuned to our channel, so always catch all the updates and make all the money with us. So that was how we ride GBP USD. So I also drop the buyers on US30 as a video. I also drop, we're even looking for more of a sale on US30, but eventually trade didn't sell. So we're looking for more of a sale because of what we said. But I give a confidence. I'll drop a replay. I'll drop a replay on what we said. I said, okay, so we're then, because we saw this confirmation on daily time, we are a day trader, so we trade trades within the day. Because we saw that confirmation, so we were actually waiting for trade to come and take off this region so we can sell for the week. So I dropped the general view that GBP will possibly sell anytime soon because of that confirmation. But why are we saying that? Because market does not just like maintaining a trend. A time will come to pull off successfully. It hasn't. So we are open for more of that pull off reversal to continue buying it. During the pull off, let's sell it to where I want to pull off. But this was the buyers I dropped. As I said, I don't know if I've dropped this video before now, or I'm going to be dropping it after this. So it's another scenario. Market can just sell back into the trend and continue to buy to the upside. So but we are on our premium group, we'll be dropping more updates on what reactions, whichever the market has chosen to follow within the days, so that we can make profit on whatever movement it is doing in the long run. For market to pull into this trend, I will continue buying because our long-term buyer GBP is very bullish. So we felt it's going to break out of this previous high to a new high, which it eventually did. So those that are good to follow the trend, congratulations to you. We did not pick that trade because it wasn't really clear. We've even been running from GBP USD since almost ending of last year. So let's go to gold. Let's go to gold. So that was where we made most of the money during the week. So what was our buyers on gold? I was to drop of our weekly buyers, but I didn't remember to upload it. Sorry for that. I've been waiting for our content. We'll do our best to be catching up on some of the states. But those on our premium group did not miss anything. So this was what happened. So we've seen gold do this. So I knew, okay, for this to have rejected. So gold could possibly, I've said this in one of my videos, you can go and watch throughout the video. Anytime gold market struggles to break, touch a trend, eventually touch, it will be looking for a way to take away this level. Looking for this guy, he's not his friend anytime soon. So that played out on the lower time frame, and then we were open for, okay, we saw the trend, so we did it. We dropped a trade update on the group that we are going to be, this is what we're looking at in gold. That was so Tuesday with 2 GBP USD. So where is that? Drop this for them guys. We're shorting gold, and this is our first TP, and we could see gold played with our emotion. As I always tell my guys, we are always out 80%. So whatever you are selling, we get to the previous support level, you are good to go out of that trade. If you think it's just too sluggish, or worst scenario 80%. But our bias was that good to trigger this region back to people. It didn't for, you see, pull back again. This is our second bias. That once we are done with this TP, we are looking for another entry. Anytime good, come back to this region for a sell back to this region. Because the trade came close fulfilling this region but could not break out of it. Then it started selling and selling till let's say so possibly fulfill this our second move. But while that is ongoing, we also have at the back of my mind, we thought this would happen so earlier. So that was why we had this waiting, that no matter what you say you're doing, you see good at this region, be ready to buy. So good played with that emotion intentionally when played though. We took our sell was still holding. If trade did not get sale, we are not buying. So we were waiting and eventually we made the profit we can make while it got here. But the moment we saw this confluence, our guys were in. Sure, we even took one of the earliest so because most time we earliest entry, right? So enter from this region, stop loss beneath, then shoot to the upside. Our TP is still the same level. Good, we'll fulfill this guy before the major move, next major move. So from this, we're able to leverage through what Code did and make all the money on the premium group we make. So do well to join us if you're not on our premium group. Lay your hands on any of our training or course, and we'll add you up straight up. No time to waste time. You can buy your way in if you don't have time to go through all the courses and all of those things. You can check our groups for the courses. There's a contact to reach out to. You can always DM us on Instagram. Our community is open. Links are on the bio, on the caption of this very video, to access our platforms for free. Those for free, but our premiums and for free. But on our general platform, you still may add a lot to your knowledge when it comes to trading. Trading can be easy. We are not scalpers. We are day traders, so we look for opportunity within the day. We hold it as far as we can hold. Put our stop loss, enter TP if you have the time to put. You don't have the time, you can monitor. You monitor yourself. Then we ride on for the coming week. So that's basically all the trades we took this week. On this few trade, GBP alone, several of us had made almost 50% of our portfolio go above this as well. So let's go to what we make anyway. That's not why we're here. We're here to just talk about what's happening, learn, and see what we can do better. So we had almost all our trades played out. Trade from a new history here, so we're able to understand that gold could possibly decide not to quickly trigger a TP and come further to come and print the entry we've been previously waiting for. So one of the lessons we learned from gold was that we have to be patient if it's not ready to move. Alright, and we do not give up on our previously analyzed trade because of what is now happening now. Okay, what's happening here and it didn't happen. So that doesn't stop us from not still picking it in the comment. Thank God we knew this earlier. When it eventually brings seeds. So we're able to make money. Several people were forecasting sell on this. I don't know where they were seeing the sell, because even at the time I drew this earlier, somebody said like, Papa, are you sure this thing will not sell off? I smiled because I knew gold needs to fulfill this region if it must do any dangerous sell. But above all, so in the subsequent one, we're going to analyze what sort of the coming week is. So do well to subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed. Do well to share, do well to like, recommend guys to our platforms. We are conservative trader. As far as I'm concerned, conservative day trader. Might not be the ta guys. But one thing is peculiar about us: we trade with wisdom. We are not ready to quickly get rich. We trade the best way I feel can give you more rest of mind. Alright, it's nice having you. Stay tuned to the end. You'll be able to watch this review. So I'll see you same time next week, or at the same time another update will be dropping, hopefully Sunday evening or Monday, on a bias for whatever we'll be looking at the coming week. Alright, enjoy your time with your end. See you in the next.